Hi there everyone, my name is Rob Anderson and I'm out here doing magic on the Strip tonight in Las Vegas. A little bit of street magic, very windy tonight. I just met Chris and Shanika though, they're in from Georgia. We're going to show them some street magic tonight. I talked to you ahead of time, you both look great tonight, which is part of the reason I talked to you here. I'm going to guess it might be a date night of some sort. Right, I'm sure we're going to dinner or something later, that's fantastic. We're going to tie that in a little bit with some of the magic. How long have you two been dating?
A little over a year.
Okay, great. A little over a year together. That's great. Let's talk about that and take you back a little over a year to some of your first dates with our first trick. Because maybe you got to know each other and hold hands on some of those dates. You're going to hold hands in a minute here, okay? Chris, I'd like you to take your right hand and hold it out just like this towards Shanika. Shanika, I'd like you to take your right hand and hold it just like this for me, please. Perfect, just like that. Great nails. Fantastic nails. Card trick here, I've got the King of Clubs. I'm going to hand the King to my friend Chris right here, and Shanika's hand will go on top, so you're holding hands there like on some of those first dates. Real windy, don't let it blow away. Remember back to those first dates, getting to know each other, holding hands. Good dates, yeah. I got the Eight of Hearts. Hearts are better for you to have. They represent love. I think you should have the hearts. I'm going to give this to you. I just want you to tell me, though, if you feel that. You feel that, yes? Did you feel that, yes? Did you feel that?
Oh, wow.
Look at what you have. Don't let it blow away, but look at your card. Oh, the hearts. And they didn't want to come over here. They didn't think this was going to be any good. Thank you. Thank you. Well, you two found each other. You bonded, and that's a special thing, and I want to talk about that bond, a little bit of magic. We're going to need a marker in a second. I'm going to hand this to you. You're going to need that in just a minute.
Stop.
Okay. We'll use the Ace of Diamonds. I'll hold on to it so it doesn't blow away. I'd like you to place your name on the Ace of Diamonds for me, below my thumb in that area of the card. Just write your name there. Perfect. And this way, we know that we have one card signed with your name. There are none like it because you've signed it with your name there. Now, we're going to leave it face up. We will get back to it. We're going to try to make sure it doesn't blow away. It'll be face up in the deck until we come back to it later. You can see, you're liking this right now. You were very skeptical at first, and now you're enjoying yourself. Isn't this great? Isn't this great? Okay, go ahead and uncap the marker. We're going to get a card for you as well. Chris will use the Seven of Hearts. There we go. On the top portion there, could you put your name on the Seven of Hearts there? Okay. Yeah, put your name there. And that way we know that is your card. There's none like it. You can cap the marker. I'll take it back. We have two cards. One is face up in the deck. This one is going to go face down into the deck. And I am not going to try to find these cards. I think they should try to find each other. Here's what I mean. I'd like you to both think of a moment that you felt bonded and connected with one another as you come in and give the deck a little squeeze like that. As you think of a special memory, get a little squeeze and let go. You just made your cards find each other. Oh, she doesn't believe me. We're going to go through here. We're going to find one card face up because we left it that way. It has Chris's name on it. It'll be very easy to spot there. Oh, I'm sorry, it has Shanika's name on it. There it is, yeah. The card right next to Shanika's name, though, I think it would be special if we looked at that one and found that right next to Shanika's card was actually Chris's card. They found each other. They found each other, just like you two found each other. Now, these are special. We're going to bond these two cards. We're going to put them together so they almost look like they're coming together like one card. Now, your bond has been created by your experiences and your memories you've shared. Exciting experiences like your trip from Georgia here to Las Vegas. Part of your story helps create your bond, and all those important conversations you've had this past year. Also, part of your story helped create your bond. Some memories are a little more mundane, you know? They're just sitting around trying to figure out what to watch on Netflix sometimes. Still, part of your story creates part of your bond, and we have two intertwined cards. Shanika, could you pinch the top card where Chris's name is for me? Hold on to it. Great. A little more in the middle. A little more in the, there you go, just like that. Chris, could you pinch Shanika's name on the bottom card there for me? Great. I want you to think about some of your memories that have bonded you. Don't let them rip. Don't let them rip. I'm just going to ask you, can you feel this? You can feel this happening, yes? I'm going to take and remove only the part that does not matter, leaving you, let go, with, let go, an impossible representation of your bond, bonded together forever as a couple. Thank you. I like that one too. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I like that one. Now, you two seem very compatible, and I made a prediction earlier, okay? I took some cards out of the deck. I will tell you what these are. I took the queens out of the deck. I had a feeling about something that would happen. I think I predicted in advance what you two are about to do right here, okay? I don't want you to think this is sleight of hand. You're totally into this now. They did not want to come over here. He was like, nah, I don't know. She was like, no way. They like this now. 2 more tricks. I don't want you to think I'm going to sleight of hand these. So Shanika, I'd like you to hold these cards so I don't do any sleight of hand trickery. Cupping your hand just like mine is. You're just going to hold them just hard enough so they don't blow away. Perfect. Just don't let them blow away. I'm going to tell you this. You're holding queens. I've done something special with one. I think I've predicted what you two are about to do right here. 2-part trick. Your compatibility is about to be tested. You're going to do great. You're first, Chris. Imagine the queens in Shanika's hand. They are the queen of hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. Now we're coming over here to you. Chris chose the hearts and diamonds, the red cards. You can choose either one, Shanika. Which one would you like to keep, heart or diamond?
The heart.
The heart over the diamond, kind of like love over money. She's a keeper. She's a keeper. That's great. It's good. Good job. Good job. I predicted one card. You wound up on Queen of Hearts. I thought you would both wind up on Queen of Hearts as the only card we would need there. So I took it out of a totally different deck from all the other cards that I had. That's how sure I was about that. And before I came, I told you I prepped this in advance. I knew that we wouldn't need the other cards. That was all I brought, was just the Queen of Hearts. You two work so well together. Look at these two. Chris and Shanika, give it up for these two for working so well together. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm just glad it worked. I'm glad that one worked. I'd like to leave you with a little gift here, okay? To commemorate your time here and to thank you for watching my magic show. I'm gonna make a little gift pouch here. And Chris, I'd like you to hold your right hand out flat for me and reach down into this empty gift pouch there that I just made. Reach down into there, and that's empty, yes? Okay. I'd like you to turn your palm up and imagine a gift appearing just like this. So your palm is up like this, yes? Now something for Shanika actually. You can actually visualize this appearing, can't you? You can actually feel this appearing right now, can't you? Then whatever that is, I would like you to take this and give that to her.
Shanika, will you marry me?
She said yes. She said yes.
Oh.